Hello everyone, welcome to IT Enthusiastic. Today I am here to teach you the Caesar cipher. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe my channel for the more videos. Let's begin. Caesar cipher is also known as a shift cipher. It is one of the simplest and most commonly known encryption technique. It is a substitution cipher in which each letter in the plain text is replaced by a letter some fixed number of positions down the alphabet. For example, with the right shift of 3, A will be replaced by D, B will be replaced by E, and so on. This method is apparently named after the Julius Caesar who used to communicate with his officials. This diagram makes the clear concept of Caesar cipher. For the shift of 3, A will be replaced by D, B will be replaced by E, C will be replaced by F, X will be replaced by A, and Y will be replaced by C. For decryption process, A will be replaced by X, B will be replaced by Y, and C will be replaced by Z. D will be replaced by A. Similarly, all the alphabets are replaced in the Caesar cipher. Let's move toward the coding. First of all, we have to enter the text for the encryption. An encrypt function called. In encrypt function, we have to pass the text for the encryption and the key. And this encrypt function returns the cipher text, which is used as the argument for decrypt function, and decrypt function finally returns the plain text which is displayed on the screen after the decryption process. Let's see the encrypt function. Here we use this header file. This header file contains all the libraries available in the C, so we do not have to declare explicitly the specific header file for specific libraries available in the C++. Then in encrypt function, first of all, we have to declare the empty string called message, and the loop begins from the 0 to length of the text. In this loop, each character is checked whether this is uppercase, lowercase, digit, or other symbols, and finally the each character is encrypted into the specific character. In C++, each upper check whether the given character is uppercase or not. If the given character is uppercase, then this line of code executed in which this converts the plain text into the encrypt text, and finally convert the SCI value of this encrypt text into the character. Similarly, each lowercase check whether the given character is lowercase or not. Each digit check whether the given character is digit or not. Each space check whether the given character is space or not. If the given character is space, then it will simply return without any changes. All the other symbols are written without any changes. Finally, the message in which we store the encrypt characters are written, and then decrypt function called. We pass message which is the encrypted text and the key. Like in encrypt function, we declare the empty string called info, and the loop is run from the 0 to length of the encrypt text. Here each upper check whether the given character is upper or not. If the given character is uppercase, then it will decrypt this character into the plain character, and this convert the encrypted character into the SCI value of the plain character, and convert into the characters. And similarly, each word check whether the given character is lowercase or not. Likewise, each digit check whether the given character is digit or not. Each space check whether the given character is space or not. In both encryption and decryption process, space and all other symbols are not changes. It remains same. Only the digits and alphabet are encrypted in Caesar cipher. And finally, the info in which all the characters are stored after the decryption process is written and finally displayed. Let's run the program and let's see the result of this program. Let's enter hello girls 5 6. Let's enter key 4. Let's see. Here the characters are converted into the ciphertext, and then finally it will decrypt it into the plain text. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe my channel for the more videos. Thank you.